There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly brewed coffee in the morning, especially when it's made with precision and care. If you're serious about your coffee experience and want a French press that not only delivers excellent results, but also looks stunning on your kitchen counter, this Poliviar French press coffee maker is for you. This beautifully crafted coffee maker is more than just a tool. It's a statement piece that promises flavorful, sediment-free coffee every time. Why choose the Poliviar French press coffee maker? With so many French presses on the market, why should you choose the Poliviar French press? Here are a few compelling reasons. Superior durability. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this French press is built to last. Rust-proof, sturdy, and won't break like glass presses. Elegant design. The real wood handle and sleek stainless steel body give this coffee maker a modern yet timeless appeal. It's not just functional, it's a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Long-lasting heat retention. Thanks to its double-wall insulation, this French press keeps your coffee hot for longer, ensuring every cup is as enjoyable as the first. Pure, flavorful coffee. The dual filter system traps coffee grounds while allowing the essential oils to pass through, resulting in a clean, smooth cup of coffee with no sediment. Easy to use and clean. Brewing coffee is simple, and cleaning the dual filter system is hassle-free. Just rinse, and you're ready for the next brew. The Poliviar French press coffee maker offers the ideal way to start your day with a satisfying, rich, and smooth cup of coffee. Whether you're brewing for yourself or preparing a morning ritual for someone special, this French press makes it incredibly easy to brew the perfect cup. With 34 ounce capacity, you can brew up to 8 cups of coffee, 4 ounce each, ensuring there's enough to share or indulge in multiple serving. It's not just about convenience, it's about quality. The dual filter screen system ensures that your coffee retains its essential oils and flavors while filtering out even the tiniest coffee ground. The result? A pure, smooth brew that delivers the rich taste and robust aroma that coffee lovers crave. One of the standout features of the Poliviar French press is its impeccable design. Made from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, this coffee maker is built to last. It's rust-proof, sturdy, and promises long-term durability, making it a great investment for anyone who values both form and function in their kitchen tools. The real wood handle adds a touch of sophistication and warmth to the design, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen. But it's not just about looks. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making pouring coffee an enjoyable experience every time. Whether you have a modern or rustic kitchen theme, this French press will seamlessly complement your decor. One of the main complaints with glass French presses is how quickly the coffee cools. With the Poliviar French press, that's no longer an issue. Its double-wall insulation ensures that your coffee stays hot up to 4 times longer than it would in a traditional glass press. This means you can enjoy a hot, fresh cup of coffee even if you decide to savor it slowly. The insulation also keeps the exterior cool to the touch, so you won't have to worry about burning your hand. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning at home or serving guests, you can rest assured that your coffee will stay at the perfect temperature. There's nothing worse than a metallic aftertaste in your coffee. Fortunately, the Poliviar French press is designed to prevent that from happening. Its food-grade stainless steel construction ensures that your coffee tastes exactly as it should, pure and untainted by any metallic flavors. The dual filter screen technology not only traps coffee grounds but also preserves the essential oils that give your coffee its rich, complex flavor. This guarantees a clean, flavorful cup with every brew. Whether you prefer a light roast or a dark, bold brew, Poliviar French press brings out the best in your coffee. If you're looking for a thoughtful and stylish gift for a coffee lover in your life, Poliviar French press coffee maker is a fantastic choice. Its premium design, combined with its ability to brew high-quality coffee, makes it a gift that's sure to impress. Whether it's for a birthday, housewarming, or special occasion, this French press will leave a lasting impression. The Poliviar French press coffee maker isn't just for coffee. Its versatile design allows you to brew tea, too. Whether you prefer loose-leaf tea or a finely ground herbal blend, the dual filter system ensures you get a clean, flavorful cup every time. And because of its durable, rust-proof design, It's perfect for outdoor use. Take it camping, picnics, or anywhere you want to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee or tea. The real wood handle and stainless steel body are tough enough to handle any adventure. Conclusion: upgrade your coffee game with the Poliviar French press. If you're tired of lackluster coffee and unreliable coffee makers, it's time to upgrade to the Poliviar French press coffee maker. This beautifully designed, durable, and functional coffee maker delivers everything a coffee enthusiast could want: rich flavor, smooth texture, and a stylish design that looks great in any kitchen. Whether you're looking for a reliable French press for everyday use or a thoughtful gift for the coffee lover in your life, Poliviar French press offers the perfect blend of quality and design. Make the switch today and experience coffee the way it's meant to be enjoyed. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.